to check out.
Yes, can I have your green card, please? Ika, terima kasih. All good. Yes, thank you for staying with us. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Morning guys. So I'm checking out today. Second check out. Saya dah check out. So mungkin orang yang tengok ni fikir bukan dia kata 6 hari, baru 2 hari dia dah check out. Sebab lepas ni kan I stay dekat sini guys. So for the next 3 days saya akan sail dalam kapal ni and visit 10 locations. Okay, so this ship is called Dinara and we are already on our way.
Lepas naik kapal, kami diberi a short briefing tentang tour kami and also a welcome drink.
Jadi, di tiap kamar tu ada nama kali.
So kita akan pergi tengok punya bilik untuk 3 hari 2 malam ni dalam kapal. Jom. So bilik aku ni sharing cabin. So untuk package boat ni sekali sharing cabin dia paling murah. Kalau korang datang dengan member ataupun couple-couple, ada bilik queen bed, king bed macam tu, tapi mahal sikit.
4 orang juga.
So in my room there's 2 bunk beds and 1 queen size bed. Ni toilet, okay, shower, toilet and everything. And since we have to, bro, your name?
Huh?
Your name?
Virgo. You can call me Fakir.
Okay. So since only me and Virgo staying here, so I can choose whichever bed I want. So Virgo recommended me to go for this.
This one.
Yeah. So
Not quietly. Than me.
so again, let me give you all a tour around the ship. There's a jacuzzi here. Okay, this is the front of the ship and jom pergi atas. So kat atas ni kan dia ada tempat lepak santai. Okay, sekarang kita check belakang kapal. Okay, so ni tempat entertainment. Water drink is free flow and coffee is free flow. There are so many rooms here. Karaoke. There's another deck up there. So inilah top deck. Okay, so boleh santai-santai kat sini, ada tempat duduk semua. Okay guys, we are on our way to the first location, and this package comes with accommodation. Okay, the price is depending on the room you choose, dan makanannya included dalam package: breakfast, lunch, dinner, drinks free flow, water and coffee, but alcohol you need to purchase yourself. And this package also includes photography and videography services, camera and drone, so you don't have to worry about that, carrying your gadgets everywhere. Harga package-nya adalah 700 lebih, tak sampai 750. Dapat sekali semua ni untuk 3 hari 2 malam. So I rasa okay, dia murah lah, murah untuk 3 hari 2 malam, sekali accommodation, makanan, semua ni yang aku cerita tadi. Let's go to the first location. Okay guys, kita dah sampai lokasi pertama kita, Manta Point. Okay, so we're gonna snorkel here, got our gears, jom.
Dengan bot kecil, we were brought to the exact location of the mantas. And guys, if you're not a good swimmer, don't worry, you will get a life jacket. So it's 100% safe.
Aku ni lucky hari ni sebab dapat tengok matahari. Dia orang kata kadang-kala dia based on luck, kadang-kala kita tak boleh nampak. So aku ni dapat nampak 3 ke 4 hari ni. So nasib baik, cuaca pun cantik. Sekarang kita dekat Taka Makassar. Ni ni bukan island. Aku tahu, aku dah lupa apa dia orang kata ni. So kita lepak sini sekejap. I rasa 1 jam, tak lebih 1 jam. Lepak, mandi, ambil gambar sebelum kita gerak. Okay. Itulah Taka Makassar, cantik kan. So untuk hari ni 2 tempat ni je. So sekarang kami dah balik ke boat untuk minum-minum petang kan. So dia orang serve dragon fruit juice dan pisang goreng. Guys, that's all for day 3. Sekarang aku ni duduk atas kapal, tengah chill-chill je, tengok sunset. Okay, hari ni memang penat. Okay, penat sebab pergi snorkeling. I was lucky enough to see the manta ray and it was amazing. Tomorrow it's gonna be a very tiring day sebab esok ni kita akan travel ke 6 destinasi including Padar Island. So Padar Island ni kita akan pergi untuk sunrise. Okay, so kru tadi kata kita akan gerak pukul 4 start hiking untuk tengok sunrise. So sunrise kat Indonesia ni dia lebih awal, mungkin 5.30, 6 dah cerah dah. Dan Padar Island ni dia ada steps. Okay, dia ada steps, tapi steps dia tinggi. Dia ada 5 pos. So I terdengar steps dia lebih kurang 800 steps, macam Batu Cave kan. So kena naik Batu Cave 4 kali ke 5 kali baru sampai. Okay, dia lebih 800 steps. So that's all for today. Lepas ni kita just makan dinner dan pergi rehat. Okay, so see you all tomorrow guys.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.